If you're wondering how to set up a freelance profile that actually attracts clients, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly what you need to do to make sure your profile stands out, gets noticed, and drives potential clients your way. First things first, a strong headline. Your headline is your first impression, and you want it to grab attention immediately. Focus on what you offer, who you help, and the value you bring. Don't just say freelance writer. Say something like helping businesses boost their brand with compelling copy. It's specific, clear, and focused on the result. Next, your profile picture. It's the first thing people see, so make it count. Choose a professional, friendly photo that shows you're approachable but serious about your work. A clean, simple background and a smiling face can make all the difference. Your bio should be all about the client, not you. Clients don't care about your life story. They care about how you can solve their problems. Start by addressing their pain points, and then showcase your skills in a way that directly ties to those issues. Keep it concise and focused on the value you provide. Use bullet points or short paragraphs for easy readability. Now let's talk about your portfolio. This is where you show off your best work. Don't just throw in a bunch of random samples. Choose pieces that directly relate to the type of clients you want to attract. If you're a designer, showcase logos and websites. If you're a writer, show articles or case studies. Make sure your portfolio is neat, organized, and easy to navigate. Don't skip client reviews. Positive testimonials are one of the most powerful tools you can have on your freelance profile. If you're just starting out, offer a discounted rate to get those first few clients and ask them to leave a review after the project is complete. Social proof goes a long way in building trust and credibility. For your skills section, don't just check boxes, go deeper. List your top skills and provide a brief description of how you use them. Instead of just WordPress, say expert in building SEO-optimized WordPress websites for small businesses. Be specific and results-driven. As you start attracting clients, make sure to update your profile regularly. Keep adding new work, improving your skills, and adjusting your headline to reflect the latest trends in your industry. If you're wondering how to easily manage all of this, I've tried most of the top tools out there. The software I recommend is a game changer for freelancers, and I've linked an exclusive free trial below for you. It's only available for viewers of my channel, so take advantage of that. One key takeaway from today is to make your freelance profile client-focused. Focus on what they need and how you can solve their problems, and you'll attract the right clients. To recap, create a strong headline, pick a professional photo, write a client-focused bio, showcase your best work, get reviews, and regularly update your profile. And don't forget to grab that exclusive free trial linked below. Good luck with your freelance journey, and I'll see you in the next video.